I'm Brainy. Welcome to the virtual campus, your personalized gateway to knowledge. Here, you can dive into hands-on XR laboratories, embark on virtual field trips to factories and historical sites, and access world-class learning resources.
Hello, I'm Amina. This course, Mayan INS 001, covers hands-on inspection and maintenance of critical oil and gas assets.
Can you tell me more about the pressure vessel inspection and assessments?
Pressure vessel inspection and assessment focus on verifying structural integrity and safe operating limits. It covers visual checks, thickness gauging, weld assessment, and how design codes influence decisions. First, visual inspection and thickness gauging to gauge remaining wall life. Second, weld assessment to detect cracks or porosity and ensure welds meet codes. Third, ASME codes, design margins, and safe operating limits to decide inspection intervals and acceptability.
Hello, Jan Karlstrom. This is an experience about pressure vessel inspection and assessment. I'll soon explain more about finite element and guide you through an engaging and informative experience.